Quick reading for May the 5th to May the 6th. Aries, your cards are the Four of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. Si person parang ngayon gusto niya na maging open. Si person parang mas gusto niya na ngayong magkaroon kayo ng communication. Puwedeng nagtago si person or puwedeng nating sabihin na si person ay naging selfish 'no, sa kanyang time, energy, effort. Pero ngayon parang medyo okay na siya 'no. Ready na rin siyang makipag-usap, ah, i-explain yung side niya lalo na kung nagkaroon kayo ng, hindi pagkakaintindihan. Nakikita din natin dito yung apart from openness ni person, yung working things with you again. So, meron na ditong realization na, oo, okay, magiging, makikipag-cooperate na ako. So, I feel like there will be harmony between you and your person, this May 5th and May 6th. This is your quick reading, Aries.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.